Classic Volkswagens, despite being decades old, still have a loyal following in North America. Even with the advent of modern electric cars, the charm of classic VWs never fades. But why do classic Volkswagens like the Beetle and the Bus remain popular in North America? What makes these cars so special that they remain in demand? In this video, we will take a closer look at why classic Volkswagens continue to be a favorite choice for many. We will also uncover the histories behind each popular model, from Beetle to VW Bus, and how classic VW buses can be so captivating once restored. Let's get started. Classic Volkswagens, like the Beetle, VW Bus, and 𝐞𝐦𝐚𝐢𝐥, have a long history, beginning with the effort to create a people's car in Germany in the 1930s. The Beetle, designed by Ferdinand Porsche, was initially made to be an affordable car for the German public. However, after World War II, the Beetle managed to conquer the North American market, known for its unique design, fuel efficiency, and reliability. Meanwhile, the VW Bus, which appeared in 1950, became a symbol of freedom and social movement in the 1960s in the United States. This car is often associated with an adventurous lifestyle, road trips, and individual freedom. To this day, the VW Bus remains a favorite among camping and long-distance travel enthusiasts, especially in the Westphalia camper version. Although they eventually launched the VW ID, a modern version of the classic VW Bus, even with advanced electric technology, Buzz retains the iconic original shape, blending retro style with modern features, without sacrificing its unique design. This is proof that the legacy of classic VWs lives on, even as it has evolved with technological trends. Restoring a classic VW Bus involves more than just mechanical repairs. It is a blend of art and skill that results in a captivating yet distinctive look. The retro wide-body style with wide wheels gives it a modern feel, while the redesigned suspension makes the car look lower and very impressive. The distinctive exterior features, like the boxy body lines and large windows, are preserved to maintain the iconic character of the VW Bus. Additionally, the interior is often transformed into a functional camper van, complete with a kitchen, bed, and storage space, making the classic VW Bus an ideal multifunctional vehicle for adventures in today's era. The combination of retro aesthetics and modern innovation makes restored VW Buses vehicles that not only attract attention, but are also ready to explore in style. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in learning more about Volkswagen's history or classic models that are still in demand today, be sure to follow our next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your classic car-loving friends.